Hi, we're Fibby, here to empower everyone to discover the wonders of swimming.
We're thrilled to introduce Fibby Plus for adults and older kids.
The tilting swim aid and learning app that empowers adults and older kids to teach themselves to swim or provides support in the water. With Fibby for Kids, we've revolutionized swimming, empowering parents to teach essential water skills through play and building a worldwide water-safe community.
Bye!
Now, to elevate the experience for all, we've elegantly designed Fibby Plus, an adaptable aid that feels as natural as it looks, with separated, always working floating support and waterproof storage for your essentials. The ultimate test?
That's why I need to learn how to swim.
I can't swim and I want to learn to swim. I'm just ready to relax.
Relaxed, the key to building trust in water. Our app, developed with a researcher, an Olympian, and early testers, takes you from breathing to floating, strokes, and swimming without Fibby Plus. Choose your desired stroke. Let's bring Fibby Plus to life. Together, we can help the half of the world who can't swim, support rehabilitation, and enable safe, confident, open water adventures.
That's it, Phoebes.